about the point, line, line segment and ray. Now, what is point? A location, it has no dimension, that is size, but only position. It has only position, but there is no there is no dimension for it. Okay. No, it will represent in capital letter. Point will represent in the capital letter only. You cannot represent the point in small letters of English. Example, if I am taking point, can we measure the point? We cannot measure the point. Maybe you have seen the world map or state map, whatever it may be, okay, or India map. In that you have seen that a dot will be represent. A dot will be there. Okay, it will represent position. It will represent the position. Example, this point x, y, z, whatever it may be. Point may be small or big, no problem. We cannot measure the point. It is there is no dimension for the point. We cannot measure the point. Okay. So what is point and location? It has no dimension. There is no dimension. What is dimension? One dimension means it will be length. Two dimension, length and breadth. And three dimension, length, breadth and height. Okay. Now, no dimension means we cannot measure. There will be no length, no breadth, and there will be no height for the point. Okay. So a location we can locate with the help of point. If I want to say you, what is this? You will say by seeing the point. Okay. It will indicate the position. It will indicate the position. Point will indicate the position. Okay. There is no dimension for the point. Now we will go for the line. A straight path that extends infinitely in opposite direction. A straight path which is endless from both the directions. From this direction and from this direction. It is going on. There is no limit for it. We cannot measure. We cannot measure it. We cannot measure because it is extending from this side and it is also extending from the opposite side. It is going on. It is endless in both the direction. And the symbol for line is this one. Example, AB, line AB. Okay. We cannot measure the line. It is going infinitely in both the direction. We cannot measure because it is endless from both the direction. Now line segment. Line segment is a part of line. Line segment is a part of line which consists of 2 points. Which will start from one point and end to the another point. Example, if I am taking AB, then line segment AB, and it comes under one dimension because it consists of only length. So one dimension. We can measure the line segment. We cannot measure the line. We cannot measure the point, but we can measure the line segment. Now ray. A part of line which starts from one point and points and extend infinitely at another end. That means which will start from one point. It is a part of line only. It is a part of line which will start from one point and endless in another direction. Example, if it is given AB, you can write like this, AB. Example, if it is given BA, example, like this, AB, you should write AB. Okay. So what is a ray? And we cannot measure the ray also. We cannot measure the ray because it is endless in opposite direction. Which is starting from one point and endless in another point. We cannot measure point. We cannot measure the line. We can measure line segment, one dimension, and we cannot measure the ray. Understood? Okay. Now, hope everyone understood. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.